Welcome to Bobbins and Bows of Bear YouTube tutorial for 2x2 rib. So 2x2 rib is used on cuffs, collars, button bands and the rims of hats, that kind of thing. This is a hat that I'm doing, it's on the round but it's the same on straight needles. So it's knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. It's nice and stretchy. Okay, so I'm using Stylecraft Life Aran. There's a little bit of wool in there, and these are Knit Pro Carbons 5mm needles. I've just cast on 12 stitches. So we start with knitting 2. So 1, 2, and then you bring the yarn from the back of the work through the needles to the front to do your purl stitches. 1, 2, so from the front to the back of the work to do your knit stitches, from the back through to the front again, and then from the front to the back for your knit stitch, and again from the back to the front for your purl stitches. Oops. You turn your work, so you ended on purl stitch, 2 purls, so when you turn round you'll start on 2 knit stitches. So you go from the back of the work to the front, do your purl stitches, so this stitch is just a variation of the 1x1 rib, which I have a video for if you need it. So again, we're ending on a purl, so you turn, you'll start on a knit. So just starting to see the pattern coming to there. I'll do a little bit more so you can see what it looks like. I prefer doing the 2x2 rib. I just think it looks nice, especially on hats. But it's personal preference, they both do 1x1, 2x2 rib, they all do the same thing. There we are. Go all back. Just got to remember to bring your wool to the front or back of the work as you need it each time. Otherwise you'll end up with another stitch on your needle which you don't need. Turn it around so you can see there. It's a bit fibrous, this wool. There, that's better, isn't it? You can see what it looks like. I hope that's helped. Thanks very much.